Hey everyone, get ready to have your mind blown with these crazy money facts you won't believe. We're talking about the stuff you use every day, the stuff that makes the world go round money. That crisp dollar bill in your wallet, it's not actually paper. Most people think it's made of paper, but that's a common misconception. It's a blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. This unique combination gives it a fabric-like feel. This special mix makes it super durable, allowing it to withstand wear and tear much better than regular paper. So it can survive all those vending machine jams without tearing easily, and even a trip through the washing machine. Next time you handle a dollar bill, remember it's more like a piece of fabric than a piece of paper. Ever dreamt of holding $1 million in a single bill? Imagine the sheer thrill of having such a rare and valuable piece of paper in your hands. Well, snap out of it, because in reality, it's just a fantasy. The US never actually printed a $1 million bill. It's a myth that has intrigued many. But back in the day, they did have a $100,000 bill. This was the highest denomination ever issued. This mega bill featured President Woodrow Wilson and was only used by super secret banks for super important transactions. It was never in public circulation, making it a fascinating piece of financial history. We've all had that one friend with the aromatic wallet, you know, the one that makes you wonder if they store their lunch in there too. But in Australia, it's not the wallet, it's the money itself. Yes, you heard that right. The banknotes have a unique characteristic. Their banknotes are made of polymer, this fancy plastic that's super durable and resistant to wear and tear. But there's a catch. It can absorb odors like crazy, turning your cash into a smelly surprise, especially if it's been hanging out in a sweaty pocket or two. So next time you get a whiff of something funky, it might just be your cash. Did you know it actually costs more to make a single penny than the penny is worth? We're talking 2.7 cents to make a 1-cent coin. There's a big debate about whether we should even keep making pennies or just round everything up. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York holds the largest known depository of gold in the world, over 147.3 million ounces. That's like the weight of 125 statues of liberty, all in gold. Zimbabwe's trillion-dollar notes take the cake for the shortest lifespan of any currency. These bills lost 99.9% of their value in just a few months. The title of world's most expensive coin goes to the 1933 St. Gordon's Double Eagle. In 2021, one of these coins sold for a jaw-dropping $18.9 million. It's so valuable because very few were ever made. You know how everyone says money is dirty? Well, they're not kidding. Studies have shown that a single dollar bill can carry hundreds of different types of bacteria. Researchers have even found traces of cocaine on some bills. So maybe wash your hands after handling cash. Experts estimate that there's over $40 trillion in physical money. But if you include digital money like cryptocurrency and bank balances, that number skyrockets to over $90 trillion. The average smartphone actually contains about $1 worth of gold in its circuits. So the next time you upgrade your phone, just remember, you're holding a tiny piece of treasure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these crazy money facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content. Comment below which fact surprised you the most.